is the greatest of lies. Get wealth and riches, they satisfy.
Fame and fortune is just all you need. Get silver and gold, they offer you peace.
But I have a Father, creator of all. He owns everything, the great and small.
Yet he looks at me like I'm one of his own. He holds my hand and he never lets go. There's a hope that is waiting, a love that is reaching, a promise fulfilling for me. The grace undeserving, the joy overflowing, the peace passing all understanding. When I keep my eyes on Him, and I'll just trust and see that this is His guarantee.
He never promised a life with no trial, but He said He'll be there in every mile. Heartbreaks and failures, disappointments of life, they're there for a reason, they make you shine. This world's overwhelming, we can rest in His love and wait for His coming. There's a mansion above. His grace is sufficient and He never fails. Just trust in His word and hear Him say, there's a hope that is waiting, a love that is reaching, a promise fulfilling for you. The grace undeserving, the joy overflowing, the peace passing all understanding. Just keep your eyes on me, my child, just trust and see. Here is my guarantee.
I know your heartaches and your broken pieces, but I can mend it for you. Here's my yoke, you can take it, you'll never be forsaken, 'cause I will never leave you.
When I feel like I'm on my own, He whispers,
You're never alone. Here's my hope that is waiting, my love that is reaching, my promise fulfilling for you. My grace undeserving, the joy overflowing, the peace passing all understanding. Just keep your eyes on me, my child, just trust and see. This is my guarantee. This is my